Hi, I'm Mabel, but you can call me Bella, your future communication coach here on Preply. With years of experience in coaching people from different industries and working with clients from various countries, I've helped professionals boost their confidence, speak more naturally, and thrive in interviews, meetings, and day to day conversations. My clients include CEOs, accountants, marketing directors, analysts, entrepreneurs, and more. So, if you're a professional who wants to level up your English communication, you're in the right place. My sessions are relaxed, practical, and focused on real life conversations because that's where real growth happens. And yes, expect honest, constructive feedback to help you improve faster and more confidently. If you're ready to grow, sound natural, and speak with impact, I'd love to work with you. Let's talk soon.